Welcome to Boat and Parts Marketplace. In this video, I'll show you how to get started and list your tool or part on the platform. Whether you want to list a sailboat part, powerboat part, trailer part, or a fishing tool or accessory, the first step is to log into your account. From the home page, go to the top right corner and click on the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, simply click on the Register button next to it to create one. If you need help with registration, you can watch our step-by-step video guide on our YouTube channel or find the registration tutorial link on the tutorial page of our website. Now, I'll click on Login. Here, I'll enter my email address and password, and then click on the Sign In button. Once signed in, I'll be taken to my dashboard, where I can manage listings and add new tools or parts. To add and list a new tool part, I will click on the second box, mentioned as List Your Parts and Tools.
Now the Add New Tool Part page appears. This is where we start entering the details of our tool or part. First, I will enter the tool part name. Next, I will select the boat type. You can choose from options like fishing parts, tools, powerboat, sailboat, trailer. And you can select multiple options here because sometimes there is a part that can be used both in sailboat or powerboat, so you can select both. For my product, this is a powerboat part, so I will select powerboat. After that, I will choose the category. Since my part is an engine, I will select engines from the category list. Now, I will enter the sale price of my product. However, my product is not for rent, so I will leave the rental price field empty. Next is the stock number field. This is mainly for your own record or warehouse tracking. You can enter a custom stock number to help you manage and identify your inventory easily. Then I will select the condition of my product, and that is used. After that, I will enter the city and state where the engine is located. Then I will enter the zip code. Below that, you will see the coupon discount code field. Boat and Parts Marketplace administrators may provide discount codes for listing fees. Currently, Boat and Parts Marketplace has provided a 100% discount code for everyone. So I will enter the code GUEST1 to 3. This will apply a full discount to the listing fee. Now, we move to the description section. Here, you can manually write a detailed description of your tool or part. If you want your description to look more professional and well-written, you can use the Generate with AI feature. All you need to do is write at least 20 words describing your product. For example, you can mention the brand, model, condition, compatibility, performance, or any key features. Once you've entered at least 20 words, simply click on the Generate with AI button. The AI will automatically create a more polished, professional, and detailed description based on the words or information you provided. You can then review the generated description, make any edits if needed, and continue with your listing. Now I will scroll back to the top of the page. On the right-hand side, you can see the Product Images section. Here, you can upload images of your product. You can upload up to 10 images maximum, and the supported formats are JPG, PNG, GIF. To upload images, click on the Choose Files button. Once you click it, a window will open from your computer or laptop. From there, you can browse your folders and select the images you want to upload. After selecting your images, click the Open button at the bottom right corner. All the selected images will then appear in the Product Images section. If you want to remove any image, simply click the red X button on that image and it will be deleted. If you want to add more images, you can click on Choose Files again and upload additional pictures. Now I will scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you will see the Additional Details section. This section includes optional fields such as model number, year, weight lbs, material, color, dimensions, specifications, brand, part number, stock quantity. You can fill out these details if they are applicable to your product. However, in my case, I will leave this section empty since it is not required for this listing. Now that all the required fields are completed, I will click on the Create Toolpart button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will submit my listing. Now we are on the Process Payment for Toolpart Listing page. On the right side, you will see the payment summary. As you can see, the base listing fee is $50. The discount applied is $50. The total amount is $0. The 100% discount code has been successfully applied, which makes the final price $0. If you did not enter the discount code while filling out the product details, you can still enter it here in the coupon discount code field and click Apply. Since the total amount is now $0, you can see the button on the left says Publish Toolpart, Free. It shows free because the final amount after discount is $0. Now I will click on the Publish Toolpart, Free button to complete the process and publish my product listing. Now we are back on the Toolparts Management page. You can see the message confirming that the toolpart was activated successfully. Your product is now listed with Category, Engines. Price, $2,500. Condition, Used. Status, Active. Created date displayed. Since the status shows active, your listing is now live on the marketplace. Now I will go back to the home page. From the top menu, I can click on Powerboat, Yachts, or go to Parts and Tools and select Powerboat Parts. On the Powerboat Parts page, I will select the category Engines. And here you can see my product is listed and active on the boat and parts marketplace. This confirms that the listing has been successfully published and is now visible to customers.